In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Asana project private. If you're looking to ensure that only specific team members can access certain projects, making them private is the way to go. It's a straightforward process, and taking a few minutes to set this up can really streamline your workflow and maintain confidentiality where needed. Let's dive right into it. First, head over to Asana by opening your preferred web browser and entering the Asana URL. If you have it bookmarked, that's even better. Just click on that. Once Asana is open, you're ready to log in. You'll want to enter your email address into the login field. Make sure you're using the email associated with your Asana account. After entering your email, click on the continue button. This will prompt you to enter your password, which is the next step. Type in your password carefully to avoid any login issues. And once you've done that, simply click on the login button to gain access to your Asana workspace. Now that you're on your home page, you should see the list of projects you're a part of. Navigate through your dashboard until you find the project you want to make private. Click on it to open up the project details. Here's a quick tip. Keeping your project names organized and specific can make them easier to find, especially if you have multiple projects underway. With the project open, direct your attention to the Share button, which is usually located in the top right corner of your screen. Click on this button to access the project's sharing settings. This is where you'll manage who can view and modify the project. Once in the sharing settings, you'll notice various access options. Your next move is to navigate to the access settings. Here you'll see a drop-down menu titled Team Workspace. Click on it to see more options. This drop-down will give you control over how project access is managed among team members. In this drop-down, look for the option that says Private to Members and select it. By choosing this setting, you're making the project visible only to those specific team members you wish to grant access to. This ensures confidentiality and tightens security within your project environment. And there you have it, your project is now private. Remember to communicate with your team about who has access, so everyone is on the same page. If you need to modify access later, you can always return to these settings and adjust as necessary. I hope this guide has been helpful to you in making your Asana project private. By following these steps, you can ensure that sensitive information remains within the intended group, giving you peace of mind and better control over your team's projects. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.